This video is for anyone like me who is implementing Agile project management into organisations. Just a few lessons learned over the last couple of years on the key things to consider. I think for me, implementing Agile, you have to be very pragmatic and look at the environment into which you're working. And the first most important question is whether or not your project is truly time driven. Is there really a deadline to this? Because that's what we're saying in Agile, that we will absolutely make the deadline, but what is flexible are the number of requirements that we'll address in the project, the number of features and functions we'll deliver for our customers. Now that's absolutely fine if your customer has a genuine deadline, if they're trying to launch a new product or there's a marketing campaign going out or some kind of event they're getting ready for. But if not, giving them a time-driven project management method when their project's not really time-driven is a lot to give up. They are giving up the certainty that all of their requirements and all of their ideas are going to be included. Is that a sacrifice they really want to make? Number two is recognising that actually Agile, iterative, evolving solution is quite a pain for the business. They have to get involved regularly throughout the project lifecycle. With every deployment, they have to look at changing their business processes. They have to look at how they integrate the new deliverables into how they do business. Big time commitment, a lot of energy required. Are they really ready for that? Would they actually prefer the old traditional way of project management, which is to throw it over the wall to project team? These are my requirements, please build it, I'll deal with it when you've finished, in one big heap. So you've got to get the business on board and you've got to explain to the business that you're going to need to collaborate with them. They actually become part of the project team and therefore they're going to have to make people available for it. Finally, what we're doing with Agile project management is building a production line, a continuous delivery production line. If we're doing iterative development, then we have to be ready the whole time to keep things going out the door. That means that we've got to have our developers and people who are testing what we're creating available all the time. We've got to have people available who can work out how to implement it back into the business. We've got to join together as one team, and that production line's got to be ready the whole time. You can't just keep bringing people back in and out. So that's a big cost to the business. Does your project justify the cost of building that production line? I hope you find this advice helpful.